Okay, we are already seeing weakness on the S&P 500. Let's analyze it together. You can see this is a daily chart from S&P 500 on our broker IG. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days selling. So basically the whole week we have been selling. You can see previously we haven't done that for like a month or two. Through this period, the maximum selling is here, but you still see a green bar. This is solid selling at the moment. All right, so I think we are likely going to break the support level, okay, which is this area here around the 4,460 area right here. This area, if this area breaks, then yeah, we could see a lot more room to the downside on S&P 500. Okay, so I'm seeing weakness. I'm preparing to sell S&P 500 when it drops below this 4,500 area retest. Then I'll look to sell it. It's been selling for 5 days, so a little pullback would be required, but I think we're likely going to see that break Monday, Tuesday. Anyway, another things that we're seeing is Apple. I like to point out on Apple. Apple being the most valuable company in the US, already breaking trend line. This is a weekly chart, by the way, so let me zoom in a little bit more. Massive selling. Can you see? This is the strongest selling since 2023. This is the strongest selling because the iPhone sale drop, or has this trend been going on for a while? People are taking some profit for sure, because look at the accumulation distribution. So accumulation distribution line through here is really dropping, meaning that people are distributing, people are selling the share of Apple. So overall picture, I am bearish. Another things that I would like to point out that which I use a lot is SPY, the biggest ETF of S&P 500. You see also on a weekly bar, a bearish outside bar. So this is a very major bearish signal. Okay, again, this is the strongest sales bar since 2023. Okay, through this period we haven't seen that massive selling, so a correction that like we predict could happen. Whether it will drop to this 416 or a little bit lower, we shall see. But short term, I'm bearish. If you guys like to learn more about technical trading, we're running a membership for people from beginners level to intermediate level to learn about technical trading. Be sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll drop the link in our description. It's free to try out. You get a lot more support on our membership. All right, so moving on to Nasdaq, I would like to use QQQ as well. This is from TradingView. You can see it's already trying to break support as well. Bearish outside bar, and the accumulation distribution already showing some weakness through here. You see, it's already pointing downwards. So I think we're likely to see a correction. All right, let's go back to our IG chart to see where would be a trading opportunity. Okay, so always make sure you start out with a bigger time frame. So the daily time frame, I think we'll reach to a support level, soft level. We're already broken the trend line anyway, as you can see from my chart. I'd like to see it break a bit lower through this area. So this below 15,000, come back for retest, then yes, look to be a seller of Nasdaq as well. Okay, but I like to use smaller time frames, so I'll drop down to 5-10 minutes for my entry. Looking at Dow Jones Industrial, again, we're rejecting the resistance level, so likely we're going to see, we don't really have any significant level until sort of this 34,000 area. So we may have to capture it intraday, so we shall see. But ideally, I like to see a small pullback maybe Wednesday, Thursday time. Russell as well, we have been talking about the 2000 area a couple of times. So yes, we try to break, but again, fail breakout. You can see through that area, the 2000 point area, fail breakout. Try to break a few times. It looked fairly bullish because it's trying to break, but now we got to confirm that it's a fake out. So likely to break this area and then continue to break lower on that. Okay. let's have a quick look on Nikkei and Hang Seng. So I'll start off with Nikkei first because, you know, I do trade the currency as well. I'm actually wanting to buy yen, but this flag through here needs to break. So we're looking at the Japan Nikkei at the moment. I like to see price break below this flag and stay below, then yes, loads of room to the downside. So I might sell the Nikkei, I might buy the Japanese yen, depending what present the cleanest entry. All right, the last one that we're going to look at is, of course, the Hang Seng. I have been bearish, and we had a little fake out, tried to break above the 220,000 area, straight rejection on Monday. Now we're in the middle of the range. I don't like that, so I will wait until it break this flag and then sell that. So top of my list is probably selling the S&P 500, Nasdaq, and the Nikkei. Do you guys agree with me, or if you have any question, let me know in the comment below. Otherwise, be sure to check out our next video on the Forex trading plan. Thank you very much for watching.